Hi, my name is Ui from 80110-1C.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Shukri. I'm from 80101C.
In this video, we're going to have an Q&A about Chapter 7, which is Plant Growth and Development.
Question number 1. What is plant hormone? And list the hormone that found in the higher plant.
Hormone is an organic substance produced by plants that regulates plant growth and development that is transported from the site of production to the site of where it acts. There are 5 hormones in all higher plants. First, auxin. Second, gibberellins. Third, cytokinins. Fourth, abscisic acids. And fifth, ethylene. Question 2. What is auxin and what does auxin do?
Auxin is not a single chemical. Auxin are grouped together because of their effects on the plant. The most common of auxin is indoacetic acid, IAA. Auxin has a variety of effects depending on its concentrations within the plant organs. High concentrations stimulate the growth of the stem. At that concentrations, auxin does not produce any effects in the root. What does auxin do? First, stimulate cell elongations. Second, stimulate cell divisions. And third, inhibit the growth of weeds in the high concentrations. Question number 3. What is gibberellins?
Gibberellins, discovered by Japanese in 1935 while studying rice fungus Gibberella figicori that cause silly seedling. Gibberellic acid, which is also commercial gibberellins, still derived from the fungus. More than 60 types of gibberellins are abbreviated GA1, GA2, and many more. Question 4. What is cytokinins?
Okay, cytokinins discovered in the 1950s. The effects of the cytokinins is it is encourage cell divisions but in the presence of auxins. It is also functioning as the cell's arrangements in the leaf and freedom from apical dominance. It is also overcome dormancy in some seed and buds. Question number 5. What does abscisic acid do?
To inhibit growth, promote dormancy, induce stomata closure, and reduce transpiration. Okay, Ahmad, this is the 6 questions. Can you tell me the first plant movement?
Okay, the first plant movement is nestic movement. Okay, nestic movement is the plant movement to stimulus. That its directions is not determined by stimulus but by plant itself. There is 5 types of nestic movement. The first is photonesty, thermonesty, thigmonesty, nyctinesty, and contact nesty. Type of nestic movement. First, photonesty. Leaves of some plants become horizontal during a day and drop during a night. Second, thermonesty. Crocus flower open when it is hot and closes when it is cold. Third, seismonesty. Leaves of Mimosa pudica plants drop when they are touched. Question 7. Can you tell me the second and third of plant movement?
The second movement is tactic movement, which is also taxism. Movement of an entire cell or organism in response to an external stimulus, obtained by the direction of the stimulus, in response to a stimulus such as light or the presence of food. Third is tropic movement, which is tropism. Directional movement, responses in plants that occur in response to a directional stimulus. There are 5 types of tropism. First is phototropism, second is gravitropism, third is thigmotropism, fourth is chemotropism, and fifth is hydrotropism. Phototropism, change in growth in response to light, controlled by auxin, produced at the plant tip. Gravitropism. Roots tend to grow toward pull of gravity. Shoots grow against them. Thigmotropism. Growth in response to contact with a solid object. Photoperiodism. Psychological reaction of organism to the length of day or night. Occurs in plants and animals. Okay, this is the 8th question. Can you give me the classifications of photoperiodism?
Okay, there are three. That is long day plant, short day plant, and then neutral plant. For the long day plants are those required a long period of exposure light in each day to produce flowers. For the short day plants, form flowers only when the day lengths are only 12 hours. For the day neutral plants does not require a specific day length. It is neither short day or long day plants. For the long day plants, when the night is shorter than critical length, such as salad. For the short day plants, when the night is longer than critical value, such as potatoes. For the day neutral plant, such as tomatoes. That's all from our Q&A session in this video, which is include chapter 7, plant growth and development. Thank you.
Thank you.